I like to work translator because hiders are different from here in Syria. Yeah, I would like to study Slovenian language, and I have English language, and I can work translator.
Mogoče delam v kuham, ja, tudi v hotelu, mogoče 14 ur delam. Jaz imam družina, veš, jaz imam 3 otrok, jaz delam za mojo družina, veš. Tudi jaz pomagam moji družini v Siriji.
Here really different religion because I'm Muslim, but if I go to work, if I have time, I will be do my religion. But if don't have time in the work, of course I cannot do that. In the house I will do everything.
Super delam, tudi jaz vem, kaj naloga. Jaz mislim, to alergijo tudi ni problema za moj prijatelj v delu.
If I have a problem with my umbrella from the clothes, my clothes, but I will try to ask him what is the problem, and we will look about something. But I don't think if I work translator, I will have a problem with my clothes. I don't think that.
Angleški jezik je zelo pomembno, ker zelo vse ljudi v Evropi govorijo angleško, veš.
If I will be work translator, I need to speak English, of course. I need the 3 language. But here I see everybody speak English. It's the same Slovenian language. If we will live here, we need to speak English or Slovenian or another language.
Prvi krat 180 ur, drugi krat 120 ur. Ja, 180 ur grem vsak dan, ampak zdaj gre 3 dni na teden.
Of course, very important to learn language because if we not learn the language, we cannot speak with anybody, we cannot work, we cannot go outside without language.
Slovensko zelo pomembno tukaj.